In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create segments in Campaign Monitor. Segments let you group subscribers who share specific characteristics so you can send more relevant emails and improve engagement. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, keeping it simple and clear. Start by opening your browser and searching for Campaign Monitor. Click the official link to go to the website and then click Log In. Sign into your account, making sure you have access to the list you want to work with. Once you're in, look at the top navigation and click Lists and Subscribers. This is where all your audiences are managed. Choose the list you want to segment by clicking its name. Remember, segments are created within a specific list, so pick the one that contains the subscribers you want to filter. In the left-hand sidebar, click Segments. Here, you'll create a new segment or edit an existing one. Start by updating the segment's name. Use a clear, descriptive name that reflects who's included, like the audience and the criteria you're using. A good name makes it easier to find and reuse later. Next, choose whether your rules are based on subscriber details or custom fields. Subscriber details include built-in attributes like email address, name, date subscribed, and location. Custom fields are the extra data your account has collected, like preferences or plan type. Choose the source that matches the information you need. Now, pick the specific data you want to filter by, things like email, name, date subscribed, or location. From the next dropdown, choose how to match the data. Options like contains, does not contain, matches exactly, and others control how strict your rule is. For example, contains is flexible for partial matches, while matches exactly is best for precise values. For dates, use the appropriate operators to find people who subscribe before or after a certain date. In the field that appears, type the value you want to match. Be careful with spelling, capitalization, and formatting, especially for dates, so your results are accurate. You can combine multiple rules using AND or OR logic. AND means a subscriber must meet all the rules, which narrows your audience. For example, lives in a specific city and has clicked a link. OR means a subscriber can meet any one of the rules, which broadens the audience, like lives in one city or another. When you're happy with your rules, click Save. You'll see how many subscribers match right away. If the number looks off, return to your rules, adjust an operator or value, and save again. That's it. Your segment is ready to use whenever you need it.